Okay, so what I want to cover off here is tracking your numbers, key performance indicators. I am a big fan of tracking numbers in any business, and I do believe that you can move the needle with the numbers, and it's vitally important to understand where you're at on a day-by-day basis and a weekly basis, and then obviously look at it as a quarterly basis and an annual basis as well. So you might change the metrics that you track in your business, but to kind of have it all and make sure that you're keeping everything balanced in the right areas, I've put together this KPI sheet. It's fairly simple to follow. So each month obviously has its own tab. Just move me out of the way. And all you have to do is basically fill in the gaps. So if whatever your bank balance is on that specific day, just ping it in, and then what your weight is. So just however you measure it in pound or whatever it might be. Your perceived energy level. I'll come on to this on the end of day report, so you'll understand a bit more. Basically, to figure out 5, and then how many date nights you've been on. You can either put 1 or you can put yes in here. The way the formula works, if you don't do it, don't just leave it blank, or it will screw up the formulas. Same for moving out with the kids and family dinners together. So morning routine achieved, yes. Self-care achieved. So it's really important that we do look after ourselves. I'm a big advocate of health and fitness, and making sure that we're empowering ourselves, giving ourselves as much sleep as we can get, so we can operate at the optimum standards. It's all important stuff. How much we have generated in sales, and how much time we spent working that particular day. So what you'll then see is on the annual performance, it puts it in here, and it also then starts to put it in a quarterly basis and into in here, and then obviously on an annual basis as well. The more information that we do put in, and obviously the more these totals are going to change, and you'll be able to keep an eye on your average. Now, just to notice, the bank balance and the weight is taken from the last figure that's put in the last monthly tab. So if I put in here 15,000, then it takes it up here. So you make sure that you always complete every single day, and at the end of the month figure is put in. The rest of them total up automatically here. Don't touch the formulas. So the only thing you need to put in is under the numbers, 1 to 31 or 1 to 30 or 1 to 28, obviously in February. And then the rest of it takes care of itself. So keep an eye on your stats. Obviously, you want to be seeing that your stats are improving. So, bank balance going up, weight going to its optimum level, perceived energy levels maintained at a high level, so on and so forth. And by tracking these numbers on a daily basis, it doesn't matter if they're poor at the beginning. It honestly doesn't matter. The idea is that we move forward and we get better each week, we get better each month, and we have a very successful year. Successful 12 months whenever you start the program. It doesn't really matter. Just get involved and start putting the numbers in, and I'll start filtering everything in the spreadsheet. So make sure when you get access to this document, you make your own copy, and then obviously you'll be able to use your own figures. You'll have your own copy, and no one else will be able to get access to that, and you won't mess up this one for everybody else as well. So hope that helps. Any questions, just ping them in the group or drop us a message, and we'll get them answered for you.